Welcome back to Guchieskitchen. We just want to make some blackberry green salad. Guchieskitchen, you are welcome. Thank you for always staying tuned and loving on this family. If you're just stopping by, we want to say a huge thank you. We love you. Thank you for coming into this family. God bless you so much. Please stay tuned as we make our blackberry salad. You know, it's summer. It's really hot, guys. You just want to do something to cool off the heat. Make some drinks and make some salad. You just want to do things, to make you feel good. It's really hot. I just hope this time will pass. Thank you all. Stay tuned. Make some blackberry greens salad. Yeah, so I just feel like taking you all along just for you to see what's going on in this kitchen. Remember, we are still in summer. It's really very hot. Yeah, some friends are stopping by and I just decided to make some salad so that when they are going they will have some to go home with and have some to enjoy right here. So just want to make sure they have fun as they stay with us this evening. Yeah. So here, just add my cauliflower. Add some corn. Add some onion. I have to dice this onion this tiny bit because I for one don't really like. I like onion, but I don't like to see it, in my salad, like seeing it visible. I want it hidden. Yeah. So my carrot here and there. Add my egg. Add my blackberry. I love salad because it doesn't take you a lot of time. Where it takes time is when you're prepping it. Yeah, it took me a lot of time prepping. You can see it's a lot here, so yeah. So I just want to go ahead, just trying to make for my friend who is coming here with the mom, so they will have some to go home with when they get here. Yeah. know, this is how you can help yourself this summer. You know, just make some salad, make some drink, you know, just to help the heat. It's very hot, very, very hot. So this is the only way I can help myself. Put it in the fridge, let it cool very well, and then I'll take it to cool my body. Yeah, just get it done. Doesn't cost you too much, doesn't take too much strength. Like I said, you just have to do the prepping. And then our salad is ready. Salad right now, right? So friends, how we've been trying to help ourselves with this weather. Yeah, let me show you. Now, so all I just did right now. Yeah, I'm gonna be enjoying that with my friends right now. They'll be here in a minute, so when they are going, I have something for them to say thank you for coming. Yeah, enjoy this salad recipe. Blackberry greens salad. Yeah, it's looking delicious. Oh, with a blackberry on it. See how beautiful. See how beautiful, friends. Just make sure you like this video. Share to your friends and loved ones. Press on that bell icon, so anytime I upload new videos, you will be the first to get notified. Thank you, Guchi's team. I love you also. If you're just stopping by, thank you so much. This is Guchi's Kitchen. You are welcome. We love you. Be kind, be loving. God loves the merciful hearts. Be merciful. Stay blessed, you all, and be safe. Bye. Thank you.